Everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing SPY, GZIC, CUBV, GMER, INKW, SFLM, APRN, GME, and ASAN. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, guys, I am working on a full report on a recent IPO. This has a beautiful chart. We got the initial pop on the IPO. It retraced back to the IPO price, and we have this rounding bottom. We really like this recent IPO on the Nasdaq. Click the link in the description to sign up for the full report, which is coming tomorrow just before the opening bell between 9 a.m. and 9:30. This will give you the time to review the full report and decide if it's right for you. Again, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com to get all of our reports. The best part is it is a completely free service. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. You can sign up with your email and your mobile. Mobile, it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. And mobile is the fastest way to get all of our alerts. But the reason I'm sending out this alert, I like the recent today's recovery in the overall market. It's making me more bullish. SPY, the S&P 500 closed up 7 points today. If you follow the SPY as long as I do, guys, keep things simple. Learn to use these 10 points, 390, 400, 410, 380, 370. Keep it simple. The market really gravitates towards these round numbers. We're going to run into resistance at 400. I know a lot of people were trying to push the market lower yesterday. There was a lot of bearish sentiment, and if you look at the RSI was just simply oversold. We got down to 34 on the RSI, which is oversold conditions. Right around 30, we typically bounce from there. So I knew that a bounce was coming. And what for me, the way I trade the SPY, I use options. I buy calls, I buy puts. I keep things simple. And the best part is that you can play short duration and make a lot of money. If you want to learn more about options, leave a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. I can discuss more in-depth option plays. I know here at InsiderFinancial.com we focus mostly on penny stocks, trading on OTC and Nasdaq, but I know a lot of people are interested in options, and I want to find out how many are interested in options. But as I said, options create a lot of opportunities for traders. And then when it comes to penny stocks, you got to trade both OTC and Nasdaq. Don't put yourself in a corner and say I'm only an OTC trader, I'm only a Nasdaq trader. You're going to leave a lot of money on the table. I don't consider myself a penny stock trader or an options trader. I'm in the make money business. That's what you want to be. You want to focus on P&L. At the end of the day, that's all that matters. Trying to say that you're a meme stock trader or a futures trader, whatever, it's all BS. At the end of the day, we're in the business of making money. So focus on that, and everything else will take care of itself. But first up, we're going to talk about a few OTC plays. GZIC, big runner today, up 229%, had big news. But what I really like about this one is it has just a $799,000 market cap, so 800 grand. It's a QB, and you look at the news today. They formed a strategic alliance with Major League Baseball's Texas Rangers. And if you look at what the company says, they are an enterprise smart solutions provider for cities, stadiums, universities, other large venues, exclusive strategic partnership with the Texas Rangers. The agreement is effective immediately. The company will be managing sponsorship opportunities within the venue across IPTV, which is Internet Protocol Television, and fans' mobile devices during live games and other events. When a stadium guest logs into the venue's Wi-Fi network, Green Zebra's interface launches to provide fans with quick and secure internet access on their mobile devices, including relevant messaging such as food and merchandise discount and urgent updates such as stadium or security information across the venue's IPTVs. What I like about Texas Rangers, major MLB team, more sports teams will be watching this partnership, and if it is successful, which I believe it will be, you're going to see a lot more deals signed with other MLB, NBA, NFL teams. I mean, the sky's the limit here. So GZIC certainly is one that I think can still have more room to run. You look at the chart. I mean, this one was trading, north of $2 just earlier this year. Here at 8 cents, has gotten really beaten up, and I think this one has major bounce opportunity. And if you look at it, this is the most volume all year. So major volume day, and more eyes are going to start getting on GZIC. Next up is CUBV. Just went pink current, just a $5 million market cap. This is a past runner that we are well familiar with. So we're going to be getting more updates on CUBV. 00 closed up 116%. Definitely one that also has more upside. Next up is GMER, up 43%. This one was out with a new update, new PR. They formed an alliance with Amerikai Studios for the Minecraft OP prison game. It says, with a completely fresh look and immersive experience, Good Gaming will create an exciting integration between the MicroBuddies TM game and Minecraft. So for those of you that aren't familiar, Minecraft is one of the biggest and well-known studios, video games in the world. So certainly an interesting play here, and one that we'll be watching for further upside. And again, this is another one trading here under 4 cents, was as high as just under 50 cents last year. So again, this one here is just a $2.6 million market cap. QB has certainly room to recover. Next up is INKW. We talked about this one back in July before the big run. Crown King on Twitter, he's out with an update on this. History repeats. If the stock has strong catalysts, and INKW does have those strong catalysts, no diluting, paid off mortgage, land building valued around $20 million, big distributors, nice website, focused on uplisting the Nasdaq, full reporting coming soon, no reverse split, new product, new interview coming with updates, and a possible buyback. So INKW, this is a drinks company, certainly one that has a history of big moves. Got the V bottom here, and we think going to keep running here. INKW. Next up is SFLM, just a $1.3 million market cap, out with a PR today. If you go over here, they announced the new metaverse store items, including wedding wearables. Again, you got Facebook rebranding as Meta. I know NFTs volume has dropped off a lot, but the metaverse is here to stay, and companies that are able to capitalize on it, they will be the next big winners. And if you look at SFLM, this one here, the volume here, this is the biggest volume in 6 months, and it's still in the double zeros. If you look here, As Dark Super Robot says, it's a low float, high revenue trip. Well, this was when he posted, it was in the trips. It's now in the double zeros. 1.4 billion outstanding shares, no dilution all summer, 12 million in annual revenues, profitable, patent pending technology, opening first ever jewelry store in Decentraland, which is the metaverse, lowest float, highest revenue stock in the trips, now with double zeros. And, this certainly says it's going to get going. CEO Joe Lydon, he had said, I'm so proud we have a successful business with a huge customer base, doing over $1 million a month. So launching into the metaverse and offering these unique technology wearable pieces, just an exciting and dynamic way for us to expand her customer base. We believe our unique technology will make a name for itself quickly. What I like about Joe Lydon as the CEO, he is the founder, entrepreneur, CEO. This is his baby. He's an entrepreneur. He's been doing this for over 20 years. Well-known entrepreneur. And, this is as quality of a CEO as you're going to find on the OTC. So SFLM, if it's not on your radar screen, you should get it on your radar screen. Lastly, guys, three big board plays. First up is APRN. 39% of the float is short. If you look here on FinViz, which is great free resource for charting, finviz.com, guys. I highly recommend you check it out. It's got great charting. It's got all the details here. But this is the line in the sand here. So we're looking at a close above $7 is really, really going to panic the shorts and really create what we think could be a major, major short squeeze. And again, you got 39% of the float is short. You got the founder, or one of the lead investors is Joseph N. Sandberg. He is a billionaire entrepreneur. He has 8.3 million shares. He's investing in the recent private placement. So, they have a backstop when it comes to money, and he is opening up his checkbook again for the company, Blue Apron. He believes in it. He's one of the initial seed founding investors, and he keeps he's there for the company. So again, he's smart money. He's fully invested, and I think he's gearing up to make a major move here. So for those of you that have been focused on Ryan Cohen, I have a new name for you, and that's Joseph N. Sandberg. Look him up. I think you'll like what you see. Speaking of Ryan Cohen, GameStop was out with earnings today, and then they announced a partnership with FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried's crypto exchange. Guys, what I really like about this one here is this is just extremely oversold. I mean, it's been selling off since $44. We're down here. RSI is at 25. We closed at 24.04. We're bidding 26.84 in the after hours. I mean, whether you are like GameStop or bull bear or whatever, I'm not going to get into the who's right, who's wrong, but this is definitely due for a bounce. So I think we're going to see that tomorrow. If you look, 20% of the float is short right now. That's the latest data from FinViz. And right now, that is a $1.2 billion bet against GameStop. The market cap is just $7.4 billion. Again, I think this one is due for a major bounce. So GameStop, get this on your radar screen for tomorrow. Lastly, guys, is ASAN, ASAN. Earnings beat, 18% of the float is short. But what really has me interested about ASAN is the CEO, the founder is Dustin Moskovitz. The guy's worth like $10-11 billion. He is a co-founder of Facebook as well. He just invested in the private placement. He just put in $350 million of his own money. He bought 19.2 million shares at $18. And I know the bears are like, oh, dilution, dilution. But look at the buying this guy has been doing. I have never seen a CEO buying like this. I mean, buy $65, 51, 45. He was buying at $71. I mean, just accumulating stock. He's been funding this company. Everyone's like, well, they're losing. They keep losing money. Yeah, but this guy keeps putting in money. And I know either he's the stupidest guy in the world or he really believes in what they're doing. I mean, he's running the company. He knows where the vision is. I mean, this guy co-founded Facebook. It doesn't get any smarter than that. I don't think I wouldn't be betting against this guy, not with a guy with $11 billion bankroll, and he just keeps throwing money at ASAN. This is his baby, and I wouldn't be betting against him. This one could easily squeeze to $30 really quick. After hours are trading $22.77. Get this on your radar screen if it is not already. But with that being said, guys, on this channel I cover a lot, but if you want all the alerts, you got to go and sign up. Click that link in the description. Again, tomorrow we have a special report coming between 9 a.m. and 9:30 for subscribers. Really, really, really like this play. It's in one of the hottest sectors for investors. It checks all the boxes I really like. Recent earnings, big 72% year over year revenue growth. So again, it checks all the boxes that I look for in a hot penny stock. So click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com to get the full complete report tomorrow. And again, as I said, the best part is it's completely free. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that being said, I want to wish everyone a good night. Good luck to all subscribers tomorrow with tomorrow's alert. And I will be coming live after the bell with a new video update. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.